This is the ULTIMEA Nova S90. It's a 7.1.4 spatial surround sound home theatre speaker system, which does have Dolby Atmos. And here it is. Make sure to check the link in the description. Roughly this comes around £400, but make sure you check the latest pricing information in case they do have any other discounts running. Now we'll go ahead and take a closer look at what comes in the box. So we have the soundbar system here. You can see it does have the Dolby Atmos logo just there. This does come in two parts. You can see this was split up and it was connected via this attachment here at the back. We'll look at the ports at the back in a second. You've got yourself the buttons just there at the top for all of the most common functions that you want to use with the soundbar. Plenty of speakers built into this, but you'll notice that this does have speakers on top of the soundbars as well. Not just on the soundbar here, but also on the rear surround sound speakers as well. This actually has 4 upward firing speakers, which gives you that spatial and surround sound experience, making it very immersive. This also has 2 side firing speakers, and overall you have 7 ear level speakers as well. So it's going to be really immersive, and just without even setting it up, I can just imagine how great this is going to sound. Massive subwoofer here, and I'm pretty confident the audio is going to be room shattering, and I won't be able to go anywhere near maximum volume on this. But with any speaker system, I'm going to do my best to try and showcase how things sound coming from my microphone, because it may be slightly different compared to how I hear it in the room and how you guys are listening to it on the YouTube video. So just quickly showing you the ports on the back. You've got yourself the auxiliary input, optical, 3 HDMI ports, with the first one being the HDMI out for the eARC, HDMI in 1 and HDMI in 2, a USB and a DC input. If you want to mount this onto a wall, you do have the brackets and all of the screws in the box as well. If we take a look at the rear speakers, at the back, of course you have your DC input, but you also have a toggle here for left and right. So it's totally up to you if you want to actually switch between this being a left channel or the right channel. So I think that's a very convenient thing that I've not seen in surround sound speakers. So if I want this to be left, all I need to do is just toggle that, and it's very easy if you want to change it up at any time. And in the box of accessories, you of course have all of your wall mounting brackets there. You get a HDMI cable, optical cable, AV cable, whole bunch of HDMI adapters for the L shapes, screws, wall plugs, etc. So everything you need to get this up and running and set up. And this is the remote control. So it has all of the buttons and functionality that you would expect. So you can switch between all of the different sources, whether that's the HDMI, USB, you can do auxiliary and Bluetooth as well from here. You've got all of the options for the bass MX, the mid-range and the treble if you want to make adjustments. Various different audio modes, so you can go between movie, music, voice, sport, game and night there. You also have the adjustments for the surround sound, which I think is great. But finally at the bottom, you also can adjust the up-firing speakers on this as well. So there's so much customizability directly from the remote control to make sure you get the best audio experience from this. And finally, for the rear speakers, I would highly recommend putting them onto these optional accessories, which are the Nova S90 tripod stands for your rear speakers. Now they fit very easily onto that. So rather than mounting them onto the wall, this is very convenient because this allows you not just to position it to the side of your sofa, but you can also angle this at a particular angle that makes it a little bit more immersive for you and the room that you're in. So these come in at £39, which I think is actually very good value for money, and I highly recommend you get these if you do go ahead and buy this surround sound system. And this is kind of like the ideal layout that you should generally follow. So you've got your soundbar with the TV just there and the subwoofer on the left. Then you've got your sofa at the back there with the 2 rear speakers. So let's go ahead and get the immersive spatial audio experience set up and see what you guys think. All right, so everything is set up. The soundbar is there connected to the HDMI out for the eARC. Subwoofer is connected. But I also want to mention about the rear speakers. I've got them mounted on these tripods. You can actually buy the Steady S90, which is a pair of tripods specifically made for these rear speakers. It's very quick and easy to set up. And to be honest, I would highly recommend that just because of the elevated height. It just looks clean and it gives a really good audio dispersion. The quality of the tripod is actually very good as well. And you can actually just readjust the height to whichever is suitable for you. But if you prefer having it wall mounted, then you can also do that without having this optional accessory. Now, one thing I also want to mention is with any audio or speaker review, how I hear it standing in the room in front of it is going to be different to how you're listening to it, whether that's on your phone, your TV, through some headphones, through your own speakers. but I will try to give you the best indication of how this sounds and how great the audio quality is based off of my own personal opinion. But the best way to give you that guidance is I'm going to play back the volume directly from the internal speakers of my Samsung TV and then switch over to the ULTIMEA Nova S90 speakers and showcase the difference in the quality of the audio. And hopefully that will give you a great indication of how powerful these actually sound. So let's go ahead and play back a demo. Okay, so hopefully you heard the difference between the TV speakers and the soundbar system. Now, there is a lot of audio coming from the background rear speakers, which you may not be able to hear directly from my microphone that I'm using to record this video. But I can just honestly say that this was really powerful, and I was on volume 30 for both the TV speakers and the Nova S90. And I had the bass MX on level 5, and everything else was just on the default levels, and it was really powerful. The audio quality is completely transformed when I'm using this system, and it just makes it a lot more immersive. So I just wanted to give you one more demo video which has a lot more dialogue in there, and hopefully that gives you a better indication of how this sounds if you are going to be watching it with your TV shows and movies.
From the beginning, we've asked the impossible questions. How do we spark awe? How do we evoke wonder? And how do we create an experience that takes you there, that immerses you in the moment?
And hopefully that gave you a really great indication of how great this surround sound Dolby audio speaker system works. I'm really happy. One thing I really do like is having the rear speakers on ear level. So that's one of the reasons why I opted for the tripod stands. And that really gives you that surround sound immersive listening experience, which I think is key when you're going to set up a home theater system like this. So for me, I'm really happy. The audio is great. I just like the multiple customizability of the remote control. You can really set the surround sound range manually just like this. You can set the bass levels, mid-range, and you have various different modes that you can access very quickly from the remote control. So for me, having a great remote control for all of your audio experiences as well as your visual experiences from the TV is quite important, and ULTIMEA have done a really good job on that front. So that's everything. Hopefully that gave you a great indication. But as always, if you do have any questions, make sure to drop the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you liked how this soundbar and speaker system sounds, then make sure to like this video and make sure to subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next one.